what's the updates in the case?
So basically this was the case regarding the alleged kidnapping and alleged abduction of the so-called driver. So this driver had filed a complaint with the crime branch on 25th May 2024 against Mr. Surendra Kumar Agarwal and Mr. Vishal Agarwal. We filed 2 separate bail applications. We pleaded before the Honorable Court that this prima facie is a fake complaint. This is a fake complaint because at the intervening night of 19th May, the morning, the dawn time, this particular complainant was already detained by the police investigating agencies at Yeroda police station. The entire day he was at the police station. At midnight, around 11 to 12 o'clock in the midnight, he was left by the investigating agencies. It was the driver who himself sought some kind of a protection saying, I want to stay at your place. That was his statement to the accused, Mr. Surendra Kumar Agarwal. And the driver, out of his own will, was staying at the residence because there was mob lynching. He was attacked by the mob that day. Next day, it is the driver's own version, the complainant's own case, that his son and his wife took him away from the residence of Mr. Agarwal. Next is 20th May 2024. Now, taking the case to be true, if the FIR gets registered on 25th May, then in the span of 5 days, the gross delay has to be explained, which has not been explained in the prosecution case. If you look at the sequence of events and the chronology of events, it is the case of the prosecution that Mr. Vishal Agarwal was arrested at Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar on 21st May 2024. So admittedly, Mr. Vishal Agarwal has not met the driver during the alleged kidnapping and abduction issue. And if you look at Mr. Surendra Kumar Agarwal, it is an admitted position that on 19th May morning, when the incident took place, he was at Delhi, he has boarding passes. When he came back to Pune, the limited interaction that Mr. S.K. Agarwal has with the driver is on record. The call detail records are on record, so I will not talk about it. Taking the case to be true, we have all the evidences to show that Mr. S.K. Agarwal was in the crime branch detention for almost 8 to 10 hours every day. He was interrogated, and rightly so. After a period of 5 days, the complaint came to be registered. So on the face of it, it will not amount to any kidnapping. Admittedly, when the matter was registered, the FIR was registered, the driver was not under any abduction or threat or kidnapping.
Okay, so what was the court's order today?
So the Honorable Court at Pune has granted bail to Mr. Vishal Agarwal and Mr. S.K. Agarwal. However, we do not have a detailed copy of the order in our hand today. It is still being executed. So when we get the detailed order, I'll be able to talk about it.
So very sure to release of Mr. S.K. Agarwal today itself? Or?
It looks like it on the face of it that Mr. S.K. Agarwal will be released from the jail. However, Mr. Vishal Agarwal has certain other matters which are at the fag end of pending, and then we'll see.